Hi there, Dr. Joe Arve here, Northglenn, Colorado, SpineGeek Chiropractic. Let me ask you a question. How's your balance? Are you having a hard time getting up and down stairs? Are you having a hard time walking? Are you having a hard time getting out of the chair? Listen, it's not something you have to live with forever, okay? We can help you. I've been helping people with balance issues for the last 33 years in my practice, okay? But you have to understand that what could be causing the balance problems. It can be emotional stress. Maybe you're going through hard times as far as your job, as far as relationships, as far as kids, and it's just stressing you out. And that puts stress on the brain. And when the brain's not happy, balance is not happy. It can also be chemicals, what you're taking as far as a medication side effect, or what you're eating, or what you're drinking. All of that can have a negative impact on your balance, which basically is your brain trying to keep aware of your feet and where you're at and where you're going. It also can be structural, meaning that your spine has something pinching on the nerves that go to your ears, the nerves that go to your feet, the nerves that go to your body. And there's dysregulation or a disconnect between the brain and the body, and that throws the balance off. Like I said, I've been helping people for 33 years walk strong, walk tall, and really help them regulate their nerve system so that their balance comes back. They're not a risk to fall, okay? So if I'm talking to you and you're like, yeah, I have balance problems and I want to get my balance back so I can go and play with my grandkids or go play with my family or be active again, then here's what I want you to do. I want you to look in the description below and check out the number and call us, or you can text us, or you can go online, make an appointment, and let's work together. I'll listen to your story. I'll find out what's going on. We'll get to the cause of the problem. We'll get your brain talking back to your body and to your arms, your hands, your legs, your feet better, and that's going to help restore balance back to your life, so you can get back to active living. Whether it's golfing, whether it's playing pickleball, whatever it is, we got to get your balance strong so you can be strong. So look in the description below and give us a call, shoot us a text, or go online, make an appointment, and let's get you back to being strong, happy, and healthy, okay? All right, Dr. Joe here. I can't wait to meet you. Bye-bye.